All right, here we got a new unused all-electric miniature truck. Seats 4, it's got a backup camera. It has a radio, Bluetooth. What else? Comes with the charger.
This is where you charge it.
That's where you charge it right there. Boom. Easy to charge. Looking good.
Blinkers.
It's got blinkers, headlights, fog lights, backup camera. Yeah, why don't you get in there and we'll show them how you run it all around. There's the spotlights up there. There's the headlights, blinkers work. Windshield wiper. These trucks are pretty neat. So you can come on down on preview day. That's the day we have where you can come down, check out everything that's in the sale, touch it, feel it. You can't drive it, but you can do everything else. Yeah, so that's going to be the Friday before the auction from 9 to 4. Any questions you might have in the meantime, just give us a ring or email and we'll get back to you ASAP. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you next video.